Good morning, students. In the last video, we'll complete our 8th chapter and with your assignments. Okay. Now, in that video, you saw how to use the Flash Adobe Flash CS3. Now, in this video, you are going to see all the drawing tools and reshaping lines and shapes. Now, in this video, see here, I'm separating now stroke and the fill. Okay, now for that I am drawing here oval tool. See, this is your toolbar. I'm selecting oval tool here. After selecting oval tool, this is your pencil. Okay, pencil is nothing but your stroke color. Now I'm selecting a stroke color. You can select any stroke color from here. I'm selecting one stroke color. After selecting stroke color, see, this is your fill color. Okay, now you can select a fill color from here. Okay, after selecting fill color, see here, these are two drawing tools available. Okay, this is two drawing mode. In last chapter I already told you about this. This is your object drawing mode and this is your snap to object, means magnet. Okay, if you want to merge both the shapes, then you can use this magnet shape. Okay, if you don't want to merge the shape, then you have to use this drawing tool mode. Now I'm drawing oval over here. See, I increase the size of the stroke. Okay, you can increase or decrease the size of the stroke from here. These are the properties of the oval tool. See, this is your property panel. Okay, so now you can select the stroke style also from here. See, you can change the stroke style. I want this solid stroke style, so I'm selecting this solid stroke style over here. Now you can increase the size from the stroke size box. Now I'm drawing one oval. Okay, just make sure that you have to select the snap to object. Okay, means you don't want to merge it. Okay, you want to separate that both. Okay, so I'm selecting this. I want to separate the stroke and the fill color. Okay, so I am drawing here oval tool. After drawing oval tool, what you have to do, select the arrow selection tool. Okay, selection tool, and just move this oval from one place to another. What is happening over here? See, the stroke color and the fill color is separated. Okay, this is called a separate fill and a stroke color. Understood? Now next topic. In last video I already told you about the tools. Okay, how to use these tools. Now see here, some drawing tools are available. First is your arrow tool. See, these are your arrow tools. Then next you have a rectangle tool. Okay, I already told you the rectangle tool. See, all the shape tools are available here. Okay, next you have a line tool. Okay, see, in the line tool you can change the line style, stroke style. Line is nothing but your stroke. You can change the stroke style over here. Then next you have a pencil tool. Next is a brush tool. Next is ink bottle tool. Next is paint bucket tool. Okay, next you have eraser tool. Next you have a zoom tool. Okay, zoom in, zoom out tool, and hand tool. Okay, likewise you need to use these all tools. So now I am using a drawing line tool over here. Okay, see, I am selected line over here. After selecting line, you can change the color of the line. Okay, whatever color you want, you can select the color. whatever style you want, you can select the style. See, this is a hairline, you can see hairline. Okay, you can change the hairline to solid. See, the size will be changed. You can increase the size from here. Okay, 17, and now you can draw. See, the line will be thick. Next you can draw next dash line like this. Okay, and decreasing the size of the line, so you will be able to see the dash over here. See, okay, like this. Next you have another dot lines over here. See, okay. See, likewise so many styles are available here, so you can draw the different styles, hmm, to create your drawing. Okay, likewise. Understood? This is the use of the line tool. Likewise, you can change the colors also. Okay, you can change the color also, and you can draw the lines. Now I am taking a new page to show you another topic. Go to file and click on the new option and take a flash file and click on OK button. Now next topic is your drawing rectangle and drawing oval tool. Same like first topic. See how to separate the stroke and how to separate the field. Okay, so same like you can draw the rectangle over here. Okay, then you can select the selection tool and you can change the shape like this. Okay, of the rectangle. Likewise you can select the oval tool and go to selection tool, and you can change the shape like this oval tool. Okay, like this. Okay, next is rectangle primitives and oval primitives. What is the rectangle primitives and oval primitives are? See, rectangle primitive tool. Suppose I am selecting a rectangle primitive tool and I am drawing over here rectangle. See, my rectangle shape is changed. Okay, now go to selection tool and see, you can able to see this dotted over here, dots over here. Now you can change the proper rectangle. Okay, see here, rectangle corner radius, you can change the radius from here also. See, otherwise you can change the radius from directly your shape also. Okay, likewise. Understood? Corner you can change. Likewise you can change the shape of your rectangle with the help of rectangle primitive. Then you can use oval primitive. I am drawing over here oval primitive. Go to selection tool and select the oval primitives from here. See, likewise. Likewise you can change the shape over here. For oval you need to click on this option inner radius from the property panel. Just click on the option and see what is happening. Shape is changing. Okay, likewise you can change the shape. Okay, likewise you can change the shape of your oval. Understood? Now students, with this oval and rectangle, we'll draw two more shapes over here. That shape will use in our next video. Till then, have a nice day and bye bye.